If you're looking for adventure, breathtaking landscapes, and cultural insights, then this 4-day Bac Son Valley, Ba Be Lake, Ban Gioc Waterfall tour is perfect for you. Let's dive in day 1, Hanoi to Bac Son Valley, a trek to remember. Our journey begins as we leave Hanoi and head toward the impressive Bac Son Valley, a hidden paradise of lush rice fields and towering limestone mountains. After arriving, we get on a scenic trek to Na Le Peak, where the panoramic views will leave you speechless. As the sun sets, we settle into a cozy homestay in Quynh village. Day 2, Bac Son Valley to Ba Be Lake, into the wild. On day 2, we venture deeper into nature, making our way to Ba Be National Park, home to Vietnam's largest freshwater lake. Hop on a boat and glide through the mystical waters of Puong Grotto, a stunning limestone cave. Visit An Ma Temple, an important spiritual site, and soak in the serene beauty of Ba Be Lake. Tonight, we stay in a traditional homestay in Bac Ngoi village, right by the lake's edge, an experience like no other. Day 3, Ba Be to Chao Bang, the road to Ban Gioc Waterfall. The adventure continues as we travel to Cao Bang, stopping by Phia Thap Incense village, where locals have been handcrafting incense for generations. Then, prepare to be amazed as we arrive at Ban Gioc Waterfall, the largest and most majestic waterfall in Vietnam, right on the border with China. Feel the mist on your skin and take in the raw beauty of this natural wonder. Before the day ends, we explore the mysterious Tiger Cave, adding an extra thrill to our journey. We then settle in for the night in Cao Bang City. Day 4. Cao Bang to Lang Son. Back through history. On our final day, we journey back to Hanoi, but not before uncovering some historic treasures. We visit the sacred Mother Goddess Temple in Lang Son and stand in awe at Chi Lang Pass, a historic battlefield that played a crucial role in Vietnam's past. Are you ready to experience it for yourself? Don't wait. Book your adventure today.